Hello and welcome to Teachings and Education with Frank Avella. Here we'll take a look at the impact of having a disability across a lifespan. The impact of a disability on family will vary depending on the severity of the disability. In this presentation, we'll look at 3 different times in a lifespan, beginning with early childhood, the school age years, and finally, through their adult lives. Now, children with disabilities will experience delays at a very young age. Disabled children will not be able to keep up with age-level peers. Parents may experience denial when their children have developmental delays, and it's very difficult for parents to raise children with disabilities. Disabled children require more time and patience, and many parents aren't ready for the challenge. Siblings of disabled children often experience a wide range of emotions. They don't get the same attention as their disabled brothers and sisters. They also feel guilty. During very early childhood, disabled children require extra care. Medical expenses may be very costly, which can put a strain on the family. Next, we'll look at the school age years of a disabled child's life, where these children often experience social difficulties. Special needs children, unfortunately, are frequently the targets of ridicule and bullying. In addition to social difficulties, academic struggles will be a constant part of the disabled child's school experience. These children just can't keep up with other students, and academic struggles for these children can lead them to being placed in alternative schools, which further isolates them from their peers. And now, to the adult life of individuals with disabilities. During adulthood, you could expect these children to occupy low-wage jobs. It's very unlikely these children will hold a position of leadership. Other disabled people require caregivers to look over them and help them manage their day-to-day lives. Some live in residential homes. Disabled adults are usually unmarried without any children. Of course, this is not always the case. As you can see, it's a difficult life ahead for these children. And the most important thing to do is to stay in their lives. Continue to be a part of the lives of disabled children, as they will need you and appreciate the relationships they have with you. Alright, now I just want to say thank you for your time. Please check the description for resources and the information icon. Subscribe to this video, hit that like button, and I'll see you at the next video.